plain one without the tempering. Vanakkam and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see two types of instant mango pickle. I have taken a whole mango which is weighing 750 gram, more than 750 gram. I have cut them and I have made it into equal proportion and have made two types of instant pickle using those. I haven't used any preservative today. So whatever I am going to make, I am going to consume it as soon as possible. Please follow the same. Today I have used a homemade fenugreek powder. You have to take the whole of fenugreek, dry roast them, cool it down and then grind it into a fine powder.
Instant mango pickle, always go for raw mango which is pale yellow in color rather than ripe one. For today, if you see, the middle one is little ripe and the surrounding is pale yellow. Pale yellow is perfect for this pickle. According to your preference, you can chop them into a small or medium dice. Today I have chopped them into medium diced. Discard the seed and I have taken the chopped raw mangoes into two separate bowls. For the first recipe, take a bowl. In a bowl, add half teaspoon hot chili powder, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon fenugreek powder, and oil 1 teaspoon. Now mix them well. To this mix we are going to add 1 bowl of cut mangoes and mix them well together. Now our instant, no cooking pickle is ready. Now for another recipe, take a bowl. In a bowl, add half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon fenugreek powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and mix them all. Now we'll add the other bowl of cut mangoes, mix them well with the mixture and then keep it aside. Heat up the pan and we are going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut or mustard oil. For tempering, we are going to add 1 teaspoon mustard seed, curry leaves, quarter teaspoon asafoetida powder. Now we'll remove the pan from the flame and we'll add the mangoes that we have marinated with the masala and mix them well. Now our instant mango pickle is ready to serve.
Ultimate